Hi, and welcome to this mini tutorial on how to add a PPT to the will. So this is a truss before residue. So if I have a look at the will instructions here, and what I'm going to do is actually go into one I've already done before, which is Tom and Tammy Thumb. So I'm going to edit the will, and I'm now going to add a trust. So if I click there, and I'm now going to add a life interest PPT. So the first thing I need to do is to revert to the default address. That will give me normally my principal private residence that I'm living in, and it'll also allow, if I move, for the will to cover any other principal private residence. Do remember that you would need to sever the tenancy if applicable. Now I'm going to give the residency to the spouse, and I can put in a loan facility if I wish. I'm not going to bother there. Do I want to discharge the mortgage? I will. And do I want to include fixtures and fittings? Yes. And from there I can decide whether to cease the occupancy on cohabitation or marriage of the survivor. I'm going to say no. And then I choose where the beneficial share will go. And I'm going to choose bloodline children and on to issue, and I can put the ages if I require in there. I OK that, and it's that simple to do a life interest PPT. What I can also do, if I go back into it, is all of this I can fill in by a quick button. If I press that button, it'll fill it in, and if I hover over it, it'll tell me what it'll do. So it'll do the residency to the spouse, it'll fill in the loan facility, so that will come out as yes, and it will fill in the rest here. So I can just do that by pressing a button, and of course if I want to change anything, then I can just change it. So I can either fill it in individually or press the quick button and make any changes, which is what most people do. And it's that simple to add a life interest for the house.